Hi guys, today I'm going to make super easy Mangalorean fish curry. To make this I need these ingredients which I've listed in the description below as well. To start with, I'm going to take 1 cup of grated coconut in a blender. One tablespoon of red chili flakes, or you can also take whole chilies based on how spicy you would like the masala to be. 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, about 4 cloves of garlic, 1 small onion, about 1 teaspoon of tamarind, and half a tablespoon of dry roasted mixed seeds. See the description below for note on this. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now I'm going to blend all this with little water to make it into a fine paste. Next, I'm going to crush 1-inch piece of ginger. Moving on to the cooking pan, I'm going to take about half a tablespoon of coconut oil. I personally believe that coconut oil is the essence of South Indian cuisine. Everything tastes delicious with it. Next, add handful of curry leaves, crushed ginger, I'm going to add 2 green chilies just for that essence. If you want, you can slit the chilies. If you want it more spicy, I'm not slitting these chilies because they're very spicy. Fry it all together. To this, I'm going to add the yellow masala, mix it all together. Make sure you're cooking on medium flame. Next, add salt as per your liking. Mix it all together again. Now I'm just going to pour some water in the blender and get all the masala together and pour that water into this pan. You can add as much water as you would like based on your preferred consistency. I had added about 1 cup of water. I'm happy with this consistency, so I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to cook the curry on low heat for like 5 minutes, and then I'm going to partially cover it and bring it to a good boil. As you can see, the curry is boiling now. Give it all a good mix. To this, I'm going to add fish. I generally like to make curry out of fish heads because it gives very intense flavor. I leave the body of the fish for frying. For this recipe, I'm using pomfret. You can use any fish of your choice. Now I'm going to let the curry cook on medium heat for about 15 minutes or till the fish is completely cooked. Try not to overcook the fish as it makes the meat very dry. The fish curry is ready. If you've enjoyed this recipe, then please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up and share it. Thank you.